Hi and welcome, it's Megan here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my apartment, doing a little more updates. I think I'm finally getting it to where I really enjoy it. It has a little bit more of my personality. I feel like it's like I'm fitting in here now, but it's starting to make a little more sense. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys an update. So if you like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I just got back from Ross and I got this nice little pot for one of my smaller plants that I just got from Home Depot, so I'll show you guys that. And it was $3.99. Like, it's really cute for $3.99. I also got this little picture frame that sits up like that. And this was about $4.99, really pretty, super excited. And then my mom got me this elephant, which I think is super cute. Yay! And I think the elephant was around $8.99, so that's cool. Here is the pot that I got from Ross. I'm gonna put Chanel in it because she needs to be like in a bigger pot. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute, and it was $18.99, which is a really great price for like a pot this big. So couldn't pass it up. Couldn't pass it up. And then here is my new plant that I got from Home Depot. I named it Sheen. And it's a bamboo plant, super excited about it. And so this is the one I'm gonna put in that other jar because I broke this pot and I glued it back together with super glue, but I feel like it might need a different pot. So that's why I got that sparkly one. First thing that has been updated is in the kitchen, actually. So you walk over here to the kitchen and I have like my Keurig and stuff, but I got this cute picture with like the coffee and like designer brands on it. See, it still has the tag on it. I got it from Burlington, super cute. And then I also hung up this chalkboard. So it's like a cute little coffee nook area. The next thing that's different, dang it, you can't see it because of the window. There we go. I have these two pictures, which I think were there last time, but I've added alcohol to my bar cart and rearranged like the shot glasses. And then here's all of like the wine mixing stuff, the flask, and my wine opener. Okay, and then here is Chanel, my plant, who's in a super cute pot. I think I talked about this pot already, but just in case I didn't, it was from Ross. It was super affordable. Like, this large pot I think was like $16. So here, you guys can't even see the color for real. And there was like a little bit of a chip in it, but it's totally worth the price. Okay, so now in this corner I'm gonna put my table, which is actually on the way. I finally ordered it, so that is the other reason I'm filming this. So like where the puff is sitting, there will be like a bar table, so I'm super excited about that. And I hung up one of my little pictures. This one is the one I got from Amazon. She's really pretty. Okay, then we come over to like my desk kind of, you know, TV area. And before, I really was frustrated with the desk. It's still not my favorite. I still want a larger desk. And this blue thing I want to get rid of, which is why I want desk with drawers. But I noticed once I kind of put the chair, when I'm not using it, over there with a cute pillow in it, and I added my plant Coco right here to the side, I feel like it just widened this a little bit better and it looks cuter underneath the TV. So still working on that, still a work in progress. And then I also hung up these two pictures, the elephant one, which I think I showed you guys in the last moving vlog when I was putting it in a frame from Walmart. And then this is my little memo board that I actually got from Aldi for like $4. Like, Aldi is super awesome. And so now here is my hallway. I like it like this a lot. So basically I had my smaller TV originally sitting on that over here, and I had this red thing here, and then this right here is my, what's this called? Chest. And I used to use it as like a coffee table, but once I moved the desk over there, it didn't look cute anymore. So I have it like propped up, and I'm just, you know, kind of decorating with it. And I feel like it brings kind of more of the travel, because you got the travel box, Paris, and then the little chest thing with travel-y stuff on it. I like the shelves in here because this hallway is super large, so I added my other plant sheen right here and this really pretty pot that I also got from Ross, super affordable. And then I also hung up my super expensive diploma. The diploma itself wasn't expensive, but going to Auburn was, or Eagle, so I had to hang it up, you know? And then more down the hallway, let me turn the light on so you guys can see it. So we're on this side of the hallway right now. Then when you move to this side, I did almost like a little gallery wall with like motivational stuff. This was stuff that was over my desk in my last apartment. So, you know, it's got doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do, from Oprah. That's one of my faves. Everything you can imagine is real. Start every day with an attitude of gratitude. Go forward and follow your dreams. A world of possibility awaits. That was my graduation cap. And then this is just my Delta picture. So this is the picture that I got a couple of weeks ago at Southeastern Salvage. I'm gonna hang it up in this video, you guys. So, but this is where I've had it propped for the last week or two. Yeah, it's been like 2. Okay, this area, I really wanted to turn the light on, but it's not working. So I hung up this live, love, laugh thing where I can put mail and stuff. And I also hung up my another Delta picture. And then it still has this like dresser thing right here. This is my cart to go grocery shopping. I just haven't put it back in the car yet. And those are some more bags from Trader Joe's that I'll put back in my car. And then, you know, I hang up my mask and keys right there. Not the best, but, you know. And then there's my random yoga mat. Okay, now we're in the bathroom. I'm pretty sure I've shown you everything in the bathroom. Here's all of, like, my products. And, you know, the little over the toilet thing that I put. I added a few more elephants to it. So my M towel, another succulent elephant. The main thing that I added in here was this other picture that says hello gorgeous, because I thought that would be fitting for the bathroom. And then just my hamper that's not super cute. I'll get a cute one eventually. We move into my bedroom, and I've shown you guys the marble duvet cover that I got, and that picture, I showed that in the last video. I think I showed my my clothing rack over there with my light and that stuff. Here's my mirror. Here's me. And then, you know, my closet, all that good stuff. And then up here, I have like just some random earrings. I'll get like an earring holder. I used to have one, but, you know, I broke it, so I'll get another one. And then these little light bulbs I got from Burlington. I will be hanging those up in this video too. But I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough and show you guys like everything, all of the updates and stuff like that. Here's my couch. It looks the same pretty much. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys everything. Oh, I got my little oven mitts hanging, cute towel. So yeah, and then right there is where I'm gonna hang up this huge picture right here. I'm moving that right here, and then this one with the London Tower is gonna go in my room on that other wall. So I'll be showing you guys that later, but I just wanted to give a cute overview, so yay. Guys, my package is here, so I'm about to drag it inside. Ugh. Now I'm gonna go push it into the living room and put it in the corner, but I'll probably set it up later, okay? But here's my table. I'm just gonna sit it in the corner for now, and I'll check back in with you guys when I put it together. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Okay guys, so that is what the picture looks like on the wall. I actually really like it. And I think it's straight. It looks straight to me, like it's straight enough. And then like if I open the fridge all the way, it's like almost to the very end. So that's why I didn't put it like in the center of the wall, but this is like almost center. But I think it looks good. I love it. Yeah. So, yay! So I hung up the lights with thumbtacks. I actually kind of like it. And so I put it over my bed, and so then when it's dark, that's what it looks like. Oh, I actually really like it. So that's what it looks like. Those are cute. So there we go. And let me turn the light back on so I can show you guys. So there's that, the lights over the bed, and then over here you've got that picture on the wall, which I really like. So yeah, this is it. So my room, it's growing on me. I only want to show you the bar stools with the table again. So it was super easy to put together. I just put the 2 coasters on it, and I put my plant back. I put my plant back in the hallway, but I sat the plant on here, Sheen, the small one, just to see what it would look like, because it's really cute. Here, let me grab it. How cute it is with a plant on it. So I was like, I may want a plant, and then I like this picture, but I feel like I want like more pictures. And depending on if I get like a set, maybe like 2 pictures, like a set of 4 or something. Maybe, I don't know, but I definitely want something on the wall. But I just am really loving the table that I got from Home Depot. I've sat at it a few days ago, and I really like it. So I'm about to sit at it now so I can show you guys kind of what it looks like with me sitting at it. It's getting dark because the window's behind me, but this is, you know, me sitting at it. It's really cute. I'll show you guys maybe in another video of me sitting here eating. But yeah, that is the table. So, ooh, you can see my picture behind me. That's cute. I really like it. Okay, sorry. But those are all of my updates so far with my apartment. I think it's pretty much done. There's like a few minor things, like maybe a new desk, maybe a picture by the new table, maybe like random stuff to put like in the bathroom in my room, but for the most part, I feel like it's finally coming together. It has a little bit more of my personality. My stuff is fitting, and I'm starting to, you know, I really enjoy it now. So yeah, this is my apartment. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think, and if you want to see like an official like apartment tour where I show like everything and not just focus on like the updates, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.